2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.